What do you think about the fact that many people who study Jewish studies are Jewish?
I mean, I think that it's really great whenever people want to investigate their own cultural roots. I mean, I have kind of thought about doing, I went to Scotland and Germany when I was abroad because that's kind of like my roots, but it's like farther back for me, quite a few generations. And so like I definitely, especially because I feel like especially with US, with like classes nowadays, I mean, I can say like not being Jewish myself, like a lot of what I learned in school about like Jewish culture was you really kind of just learn about the Holocaust. Like that's not really Jewish culture. And so like, I don't think that it's just like people who aren't Jewish like me who can sometimes like be missing out on learning about Jewish culture. And so like if people want to like, you know, take an academic course to reconnect with that, I think that's fantastic to learn more about yourself. But it doesn't, you know, not everyone in African American studies is black either. And you don't, I don't quote Justin Camey all the time, but he has a hilarious saying where you don't study math because you want to be a parallelogram. So you don't like take Jewish studies because you're Jewish or want to be Jewish necessarily. So